Hi everyone, I am Adarsh Singh. I'm a full stack developer. In this video, I will walk you through how I made my Trelloid B2B SaaS project management application. What are the core features and functionalities in this project? Which technologies did I use while making this project? So, meanwhile, you can check my GitHub. I will give link in the description. So, this is the GitHub of my Trelloid project management application. So, what is Trelloid? As I said earlier, it is a B2B SaaS software as a service project management application in which users can create an organization, select an organization, they can create boards, list card, they can drag and drop various list and cards within the board. And also, as I said earlier, it is a SaaS software as a service. So you can pay subscription fees for its premium feature. For all the payment related queries, I'm using Stripe. Let's come to the technology part. So at the front end, I have selected Next.js, and for styling purpose, I'm using Tailwind CSS as well as ShadCN. For authentication authorization, I'm using Blur, and for all the data fetching request from the front end to backend, I'm using Axios backend. At the backend part, I'm using Node.js for Node.js and Express framework for all the HTTP layer request. And for database, I'm using Postgres, and the ORM I'm using Prisma. And I said earlier, for all the billing related infrastructure and queries, I'm using Stripe. And also this whole repo is a mono repo. So basically it reduces building time when you build your whole full stack project. So let's come to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of my Trelloid application looks like. Here you can see on the left side panel there are all the organizations. So I have created two organizations named Bartech Limited as well as FWO Incorporation. So in this there are four kind of pages: board pages, activity pages. Board pages in which all the boards within an organization you can see. Activity pages is you can see all the activities within an organization. If user one has created board, they deleted board, they created card, everything. Setting page include all the settings within an organization. You want to join a particular user, you want to remove a particular user within an organization, the admin can do by visiting setting page. As well as billing, as I said earlier, it is a SaaS software as a service. So I have integrated Stripe at the billing part, and users can create 5 boards per organization. After 5 they have to pay per month subscription fees. So when you click on upgrade to pro and click on upgrade, it will redirect to, just a second, it will redirect you to Stripe checkout page. Just a second. Yeah, that's working. So now I walk you through my whole a particular board. So let's suppose I'm clicking on customer support board. So then it open like this. This is the particular dashboard of particular board within an organization. As you can see, there are different lists like list added, new tickets, waiting on customer, in progress, resolved, multiple things, and also spelling mistakes. And you can see you can drag and drop within a list. You can drag and drop different list. You can also drag and drop different list from one position to another. And also when you click on particular card, you can see all the details within the card. You can copy this card. Just a second. It will show toaster. For toaster, I'm using Sonar in this project, which is a toast library. When you click on any of the card, you can add description as well, and you can see the, you can say, yes, description updated successfully. And also you can see all the activities within an card, last 3 activities. So I have created other thing, updated card, investigate API error, all the audit logs within an card. And you can change the name of the card, you can delete board and all the things. So let's come to the backend part, how backend look like of this particular board page. So main hurdle while building this project was implementing drag and drop functionality. For drag and drop, I'm using Hello Pangea DND React library, which is basically a React library for implementing drag and drop. So what backend look like when we implement drag and drop? So for drag and drop, I have written a generic function because in my application you can drag and drop two things, list as well as card. So I've created a generic function for reorder. So when you give input to generic function, despite of being list and card, it will reorder. So reorder working logic is this: when you give an array of, let's suppose I have given this new ticket list, so I will give it as an array, and it will take a copy and it will reorder array. And also at the backend part in my database, I have a column in my database which is called order. What is the order number? So let's suppose now the list order number is 1, and list added order number is 2, and waiting on customer order number is 3. So what happens at the backend is, if I drag and drop this, so it will check if the list is drag, what is the drag position as well as what is the drop position. If drag position is same, then it will do nothing. As you see, it doesn't change. If drag and drop position is different, so it will check it is list or card. If it is list, then it will change the order number and send the order number to the backend. And when we fetch data from APIs from backend, it will display. So now the order number is 1, now the order number is 2. Same for the card. If you drag and drop card within the list, it will check the card is drag, what is the drag and drop position of the card. If it is within the list, it will change within the list order. If it is different list, then it will cut from the new ticket list and basically copy from the list added different list. So as you can see, you can drag and drop, as also you can add in card added. Just a second, you can see the post notification. And for background image, I'm using Unsplash SDK for all the background images as well as images in my project. So yeah, this is all about my Trelloid B2B SaaS project management application. And thanks for watching.